Hello everybody, so it's time to do another template from the Crafter's Companion Orange template library. The Orange Auto Ship, or whatever you call it, add-on. And we are on number 5. The No Glue Pyramid Treat Box. And actually this paper that I have is probably should be thicker than this, but we're going to go ahead and see how this works with this. This is only like an 80-pound or 85-pound or something. And I want to clarify something I said in a video that these instructions are always the same. They always say draw the template, you cut it out, use scoreboard, put scoring in, fold and burnish it. And then there might be a little something, but, sometimes it just really doesn't go into how to fold it or anything like that. And so sometimes these directions just aren't any help, or much help anyways. And they're like, so you really didn't need that. Well, yeah, you do need it. Because you want to see what it looks like. Because if you don't know what it looks like, you're really not going to know what to do. Right? That's the way I think anyway. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to score it all. And I'm going to do like I usually do. And I'm going to just start with the outside. And I'm just scoring it. And this is, of course, the outside line, knowing that we're going to cut. Now I'm going to work my way this way. So I'm going to go here. These are my score lines. And one here. Now there's holes here. I'm going to go ahead and do this. Okay. Now this line and this line, I think I'm looking at this and it looks like it may be a little more complicated. So I think I'm gonna do these kind of star ones here, these outer ones. Then I'll come back and figure out what's what in here, because with the matte and layers, it just makes it look a little confusing sometimes. And so it's better to just do what you know for sure. You don't have to actually figure out at the point, like right now, I don't have to figure that out. I can come back and look at it closer and then figure it out. And then I want the circles. Okay. Make sure all of these got scored. And I scored that star looking thing. Okay, so this here is the score line. It looks like the rest is matte layer. So I'm gonna go ahead and score these. And these are separate mats and layers here. So we don't need that. This actually looks like it's going to be pretty small. So we'll see. I'm going to go ahead and cut. Okay. And then you probably want a hole punch for here. I have no clue where my hole punches are, so I'm just gonna do this. Just kind of wiggle it around and get it. I don't know. I know I got a hole punch. I don't know why I don't ever keep it handy. I can cut those off. It's kind of wiggled and put some force on it. Okay, so now this one does not say mountain fold, this fold, that fold. So I don't know what kind of folds. I'm just assuming they're all going to fold basically the same way. Yeah, those score lines. Gonna be a little bit harder to burnish. Really, really hard to burnish. Because none of them line up, right? They're all their own, like, individual score lines. And so burnishing them is kind of weird. Okay. Let's do that. Okay. There we go. Alright. This will fold here. I'm actually, because of this being such a job, I'm kind of glad right now that I used a lower paper, a lower weight paper. Because this, I could see this very easily becoming kind of difficult with the higher weight. Oh, that goes in. See, in, much easier with just burnishing with my fingers, because that's, wow. But if you're using a higher weight cardstock, then that's going to be harder to burnish, right? I mean, and then, so if you want them crisp, okay, and then in, in and in. And then you got to run the ribbon. I don't have ribbon on me, but I do have this curling ribbon right here. And if I can get it off of here. I don't know how much it would take. Let's try 17 inches. Okay. So I'm gonna, sometimes, I just get dizzy and it's like, being on the right. Okay. So we're just gonna go in. In, out. And in. And out. I could have cut this at an angle. Okay, out. Okay. Now I can bring that up. And bring it. So I want these kind of even, so that means I'm gonna do this. They're not gonna be perfect even unless I wrap it around more, and then I'm just gonna have a bow. And so for this is curling ribbon. So I'm kind of lucky I don't have to tie a bow. That's curling ribbon. I go ahead and put a knot. And let me get a smaller pair of scissors. And just, oops. Oh, that sounded like too much. Uh-oh, too much. Yeah, it doesn't ever look right with just two, does it? Either way. Wrap it around itself. There we go. And then, of course, if you want to put your mats in layers, you got all the mats in layers. Here and here. And you want to do some, let's see. I'll show you. And I'll do a, just a couple of them. Let's see, how long have we been? No, this isn't very long. And you probably also want to think about, do you want to do inside and outside? Because when you open it, it's all going to show, right? put these right up next to each other. That was even closer than I thought. That really runs right up next to each other. That's on the same line. This one's a pretty easy one. So I don't mind this one at all. Okay. So there and there. Oh, once the ribbon's through. Yep. You gotta do it before the ribbon. Because once the ribbon's in, you're gonna have to have the whole line up. Yes, there we go. We could do it like that. And just do it under the ribbon. What do you think about that? Is that kind of too goofy? They always give such big, because these are the larger ones. The other one, they always give such big matte layers, and I don't like that. It's too big. Doesn't, I mean, just use some pretty paper for the box is what I would kind of do with this one, because, I mean, that does look pretty, but look, they kind of cut the tip off of the triangle to get it up there. So, yep. All right. All right, everybody. That is the No Glue Pyramid treat box. And this is template number 5. All right. If you like my video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for joining me, and I hope y'all join me again. Bye-bye now.